But I want to give you guys a little haul that I did on my Disney trip. I am obviously wearing one of them. I got the Orange Bird hoodie, which is, well, it's not a hoodie. It's a coat, but it's thin like a hoodie. Got the patch. It is super cute, embroidered orange. It's got 71 hair. I've got think orange, but that's not the haul. That's just the obvious haul because I haven't worn this on a video before. So one thing I do when I leave the parks is there's always some kind of candy that I bring home with me, just to give me that little bit of Disney while I'm going through my Disney withdrawals. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I got. Even though it's not specifically Disney, I do always end up with some Pocky. I don't know why I get Pocky anymore, because we do have an Asian grocery store in my town, so I could totally go there and probably buy it for less than I do in the Japan Pavilion. But I always go to the Japan Pavilion and it was an impulse buy. So Pocky is one thing that I get, and as you can see, it's already gone. Another thing that I got is grape soda. You can hear there's still some in there. It's actually sour grape mints. I'll admit, I totally got it because of the packaging. Luckily my boyfriend does like sour stuff. It does taste very grape. The minty is kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about the minty. So these are probably going to last the longest, but I tell you what, the minute you open it up, you just get a whiff of grape soda. So if you are a grape soda person, these are your jam. Next thing, I saw these online. Yes, this is candy. So I totally got this and this because of packaging. Totally going to reuse them at some point once all the candy, well, this one is actually empty, but when the candy's gone for both these, they will be repurposed into something. But this is a book, but it had, yes, I ate them last night. They're very good. Milk chocolate, black cherry truffles. Very, very, very good. But I have to admit, being that this is the Snow White book, I was expecting something with an apple flavor. But look on the inside. The Snow White is super cute. There were truffles in there. I'm gonna get the sticker taken off. And like I said, I can totally repurpose it for something. But if you like cherries, if you like chocolate, totally grab these on your next trip. Totally worth it. I hope they are going to do more books. I would love to see that and collect them. Okay. Next thing I got is, let me grab it. So I normally grab bag candy. So I decided to grab these. Ursula's Sour Octopus Gummies. You can see they are like Sour Patch Kids. They are actually octopus. I mainly got these for my boyfriend because he likes sour candy, but honestly, I have a weird thing with sour. I don't always like sour stuff and make that face. These are not as sour as other candy out there. So if you don't like Sour Patch Kids, but you like a little bit of sour, this might be worth trying. Next thing I got is Grogu. Now, the reason why I got these green apple Grogu gummies on my trip last year at Tiana's, or the shop outside Tiana's Bayou Adventure, they had green apple frogs gummies that were so good. So I've got 2 of these. I haven't tried them yet, and I'm hoping these taste just like it. If they do, these are going to be my new go-to baggy snack while I'm at the park and on my way home. And then one last thing. I don't know if they still have this. This was an outlet store purchase. If you happen to go to the outlet and you see this can, again, this is from Princess and the Frog. It is a piggy bank, but inside were some milk chocolate coins. Basic milk chocolate coins. While I'm bringing this up is if you see these at the outlet, these were only 99 cents at the outlet. I'm obviously going to keep the can, use it as a piggy bank. Right now it's full of pins because we did some major pin purchasing. That will be a whole other video because this thing is full. In addition to my pin bag. Yeah, full of pins. We went pin crazy. But again, that's another video. But again, that is my candy haul from the park that I brought home. So let me know, what candy do you guys bring home and what should I try on my next trip? See you next time.